We are back. I am going to be installing some carbon fiber wrap into the truck. I might do some of the outside, but I'm not sure yet. So we're going to see. But yeah, carbon fiber wrap. Let's get it. Okay, so this is kind of the first trim I'm going to be doing. I like this like silver-ish. And then this right here. I'm going to be doing that. So yeah, I have the wrap right here. Put the key, move the key somewhere else. I got some like glass cleaner crap, just some spray to clean it off, and then stick this on. And it also came with these two little guys. So let's do this. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's see how good at the sauce I am at this. And off itself, I've never done this in my entire life before, so we're gonna try this for the first time. Hey, that was not straight at all, but I just kind of took chunks off. So now, the foamy stuff. I made it, got it everywhere, but it's fine.
Devil, I know that you're smart, but I'm not being stupid. Look at the word and I do it. Put on that truth and I stick with the Father. This for your uncle, your sister, your papa. Cut off my old saying for this new life. So I told him, go pick up the chopper. Say what I said, chasing the bread, you selling your soldiers for $200. Cut off that shit and I said, go get the chopper. No, I'm a win, I could do this for hours. I got that truth, I got heavenly power. Yeah.
I forgot to take the trim out and it'll be way easier. Holy crap. Okay. Got a little flathead. See, like I can just pop this trim out and put it on and it's gonna be way freaking easier. Look at that, Johnson. See, I can cut it from in here and see how I need to cut it. Dude, forgot about this. It's gonna make it go way faster. So yeah, here we go. That's what it looks like. You just don't look at the bottom. So hold on, I can probably use this piece right here. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So one more side check. One more side check. I got my 10mm. Boom, 10mm. One. And then, voila.
Saying I ain't first, can't control me.
Okay, here is the side steps for the truck. We're gonna be unboxing them and putting them on. And then I'm gonna do the rest of the door and the other door and then the steering wheel. So yeah. Okay. So gotta look to see if the factory plugs are unplugged. One right there, one right there.
More inflation. Move conscious from box. Verify both.
Oh, these? I'm guessing.
Oh yeah, those.
Okay, so well, these are a little bit tougher. Oh, holy balls, that was dirty. Boom. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I think this is one right here, so we'll do this. It goes in the big hole, and then you line that up with the thread
Oh yeah.
with the small hole.
You line up this
Yeah.
little thread with the small hole right next to it.
Yes. And so there should be 6 of these brackets. There's 3 for this side and 3 for the other side.
God's love made me clean, like some cold.
We're getting this left one up here. So the Colorado had a middle one, but this one's off-centered of the steps that they gave us. So I'm guessing those are made mainly for Colorado, but so we can't use this off-center middle side right here. So we're only going to do 2 brackets. So hopefully it's steady enough.
Why would I stress about that? Why would I stress about that? Why would I stress about that? Beat up the worry, I'm done with the stress. Beat up the lie, I'ma pick up the mess. Beat up the shame, I'ma let go regret. Beat up my mind, I will not be depressed. Beat up the doubt, I was made for success. Not insecure, I was made from the best. If it's my heart,
So stand up back here and tell me when this is level.
Up. Up. Good.
So good?
Still look good.
I think that looks good.
Oh, not supposed to step on it. You go back there front. Okay.
Oh.
Now both of us in the same spot.
Here, go. Stand up. Go walk up there. Most of that's a suspension.
Yeah. And then the back. And we're not using it to carry 14 people.
Sure.
We're using it to step up. Holy balls and tail. Yeah.
Funny.
It looks perfect.
Yeah.
So I'ma show it. Writing these lines, I feel like a poet.
Yep.
That looks legit, don't it?
This looks centered. Good.
Is it locked?
Shouldn't be. Go look at the passenger though. I'm not done with.
Don't stand on that. It's not done.
It is. I'm saying this isn't done. And then come look over here. Come stand in the front, and then just move both sides. Just do like this, and look at both the sides. Look at that driver's side step right there. Passenger took the longest because it's for a Colorado, Chevy Colorado. This is a Silverado, so it's the bigger version. So the screws weren't exactly the same in the center. So this one has 4 mounting points, but the step only has 3. So the one, it should be right there, but the Silverado has them like right there and right there. So like 4. So we're like, okay, we'll just do it and just fit the Silverado. So those are the steps. My mom and dad get in the truck way easier now. I don't even need the steps, but just that to make it look sick. And then now, finishing up, I'm gonna finish up this little panel. My father said I can paint inside here black whenever I'm able to. Just cover the buttons and then finish up that. I'm gonna do this right here, and then over there, and then I'm done for now.
Through all the lies, I knew I was chosen. Walking with God, you thought I was joking. He made a king, you thought I was broken. I went and opened the book to Romans. Taking my time, I know where I'm going. Nothing to stop, cause I got motion. Why would I stress about that?
Okay, quick update. Door done, and the steering wheel is done. Looks pretty fire. Got a couple wrinkles in some spots, but it's fine. See this red accent? So it matches that on the dash. Matches the dash, matches the red line. Probably gonna make this red actually, and do something else red maybe. But then now I'm gonna do that door over there. Maybe this piece of the glove box, and yeah, we'll see. Okay, done with this door. Done with the little glove box thing. So I did that today. We did the steps, side steps, and both driver doors, and then also the steering wheel. It was absolutely money. I love it. So I told you all that I was going to wrap these, all the badges, and then all the rims, but I chose not to do that because I'm just gonna order new badges. To order black badges because it's gonna be way easier. I tried wrapping the back. I tried to wrap 2 letters and it was really hard. So instead of doing that, I'm just gonna order new badges. And then just get rims or whatever. And yeah. And then we'll get the headlights and taillights, cab light, and yeah. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more mods on the Silverado. And yeah, peace.